So you have a Fitbit Charge 5. I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset, okay? Very simple here, and you can do everything directly from the watch. Just go ahead and go up to the clock face, or just double tap to go back to the clock face, and then from here what you want to do is you want to scroll down, you want to keep going all the way down till you get to settings. Let's tap on settings right there, and then from here just go ahead and scroll all the way down until you see device info. Okay, so tap on device info, and now go ahead and scroll down until you see clear user data. Okay, go ahead and tap on that, and this says here clear data. This clears your data and disconnects the device from your phone. Any unsynced data will be lost. Okay, so if you want to go ahead and cancel, you cancel down here. If you want to proceed, you have to hold for 3 seconds. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and hold this for 3 seconds. Let me go back here. So we're going to factory reset this now. So I'm going to hold this and just hold it. Oops, let me do it again. Let me hold it right there and just wait till that rectangle connects right there. Now just wait patiently and just vibrate it. Now it's booting back up, and there you go. You just factory reset it. Okay, pretty simple. Questions or issues, just comment below. Good luck.